Nonverbal reasoning, series 12, from primary to the master's level. What will come in place of the question mark in the following series that contains a certain pattern? Can you solve this in 10 seconds? If yes, then you should be a genius. Just observe the color of the ellipse. It is white in the first and the fourth, red in the second and the fifth. We cannot have a white or a red in C, hence it is yellow. It could be B, D or E. Now see the size of the ellipse. It is big in the first and the fifth, while small in the second and the fourth. It has to be big. It could be B, D or E. Now see the outline of the ellipse. It is round dots in the first and the fourth box, dashes in the second and the fifth. It can't be round or dashes in the third, hence it has to be square dots, D or E. Now look at the vertical line. It is thin in the first and the fourth, thicker in the second and the fifth. It can't be round or dashes. It has to be square dots. Hence, the option is D. Our future videos. Enjoy, subscribe, hit the bell icon, like.